hide and seek.
Oh.
So, who wants to go first to hide?
Want to do paper, rock, and scissors?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, no. All right, you pick. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to
I'm going to go first, and you record and try to find me.
All right.
Count to 10.
So,
Count to 10.
all right.
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cammy, where is he? Do you know where Arthur is? You don't know? Oh no, but that's your buddy. Cammy, can you help me find him? You can? Okay, Cammy, let's find him. All right. Here we go. Cammy, is Arthur hiding in the laundry basket? No, there's underwear. Okay, we won't look there. All right, Cammy, is Arthur in the closet? No. All right. Is Arthur hiding behind the door? Fail. All right, where could he be? Maybe Arthur is inside the coat closet. Is he in there, Cammy? What do you think? No, he's not in there. Cammy, should we turn the light on so it's easier to see Arthur? I agree. All right. Well, let's get the light on. Oh, you think Arthur's in the bathroom? Is that what you think, Cammy? You think we should check the bathroom? Should we check over here? Maybe he's hiding. Nope, not hiding where the trains are. All right. Okay, Cammy says bathroom. Cammy, slow down. Cammy, slow down. Cammy, slow down, buddy. All right, the bathroom door's closed. Let's see, Mommy's in there. Who's in there? Is one of the ladies going poopy?
Dang it!
Oh, we found him.
Dang it!
Oh, all right. Okay, all right.
Okay, Mommy, move. Okay,
So now what?
Your turn to hide.
Do you want Cammy or do I get Cammy? Or is Cammy gonna help find me?
I'm gonna. Cammy's the helper to find. And
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When you're not, here I come. Oh, I think Daddy would like to be. He's a great hider, so maybe he's over here. No, dang it. Maybe he's hiding. Daddy! Found you! That was easy!
Oh no! How
Now
you
it's
find
my
me?
turn to hide.
How'd you find me? I hit so well.
No,
Oh, I hit so well.
I'm gonna hide in 3, 2,
Cammy.
1.
All right, go for it. Cammy, you're so intrepid. How did you find me? All right. What do you think, Cammy? You want to play on the cat's toys? Cammy, you're too big. You're too big for the scratching post. Cammy. I'm gotta count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. All right, Cammy. Now we're gonna get it quicker this time because Arthur got me in like 3 seconds. I took so much time. All right, where could he be? Is he in the coat closet? No, just a lot of vacuums. Is he in his closet? Nope, just a lot of cool toys. All right, Mama or Grandma Rappy, did you know where he is? I guess she doesn't tell. All right, is he in the bathroom again? Nope. Nope, not in the bathroom. Maybe he's in the office. Let's see. Huh. I'm afraid he's gonna pop out and scare me, and I'm gonna. Where could he be? Oh! Wow!
Dang it!
Good thing. Sometimes I hide.
I
I used to hide.
Okay, now you
I
have
used
to
to hide
hide.
presents for you in there. Let's go in here. I used to hide presents for you.
You hide.
I am.
I want to close my eyes and say, one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have to be hiding somewhere. Do you understand? I hear something. Dang it. I hear something. It's coming from this. Is he hiding in here? No. Where? I keep. Mom. You know. Here's. If it's like that, it's spying on me, guys. Mom, you know where Daddy is? Something. You're going.
Oh no! You found me.
I heard you.
And you found the meat sticks. Whole load of meat sticks. All right.
Now you have to count to 20, and
Can I? What if I can't count that high?
you can't.
All right. I hope I can count that high. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, all right.
Count again.
All right. R2. R2, are you going to help me find him? Because Cammy has seemed to not be here. What do you think, R2? Can you help me? What do you think?
I think I'm a good hiding.
Okay. R2, you going to help me, buddy? This is not...
Wait. Wait till I have a hiding spot.
All right.
And don't look.
Okay, I won't look. Oh, the zoo animals. Who's that here?
Now look.
Oh, all right. Who's gonna help me? Is the pangolin gonna help me? Will the pangolin help me find him? The rare pangolin. Will he help me? Or she help me? What do you think? You gonna help me? You sure? I can really use your help. I want everybody to see you. All right. There we go. All right. Let's find it. Do 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 do. Okay. Did he hide back here where the cats hide? Sometimes. Nope. Nope. Nah. Nope. Is he in the basket of blankets? What do you think? Nope. He's not there? Ah, okay. All right. What do you think, Mr. Pangolin? Oh, and there's a cat. Hi, cat. Hi, Kit Kat. Do you know where he is? Hi, Kit Kat. Do you know where Arthur is? Yeah, Kit Kat. Oh. All right, Kit Kat says he doesn't know. All right. Is he hiding in here where I thought he'd be the first time, under the table? Nope. Is he over there? Nope. Oh boy, all right. All right. Do, 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 do. Okay. You think he's in here? Pangolin, you think? You think he is? Have you ever been in Arthur's room? Oh, okay. No response.
Dang it!
No! He led. What a great.
find you, and then the last one it's gonna be impossible. You're not gonna get me.
Okay, so
Okay,
I
so
hide
I'm
one more
gonna-
time.
You have one more time, and then I'm gonna hide.
One more
It's somewhere
time.
that you will never expect me to hide.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I heard them. Is he hitting them? Oh, sorry. No, that's just. Is he? You're supposed to hide up here on me. Daddy!
Oh!
Last round. It's gonna be
Oh,
impossible.
man, I thought
You're
you
gonna
were
try to
one
find
more
me. You have to count to 20.
Okay, I need the phone now.
No, I'm gonna hold it.
Wait, you're gonna hold it while you hide?
Yeah?
And then, oh, how am I gonna? You just gonna record yourself hiding?
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure you keep the camera pointed away. All right.
Go.
I got count to 20, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1.
Okay, right now I'm. Mom?
Yeah.
I'm trying to hide down here. I have to hide.
Is this on camera?
Yeah?
It's okay, you can check me.
Okay, this is on camera. Okay, I gotta hide. I gotta hide. Daddy's never gonna find me.
That you're, like, should I pretend you're not here? Where you are?
Don't tell Dad. Okay, I'm gonna hide. Where's the best hiding spot down here? I have to.
That closet, you can close the door.
Okay, yeah, that's the best hiding spot. Okay, can you help me, Mama? It's not me. No. Okay, so right now I'm jammed in the closet. So we got Legos. I'm still a little, just still a little quick.
Safety in the training room. Under the thingy. No.
What you looking for?
Don't
Oh,
tell.
I'm looking for right there.
Oh. I don't know.
Huh?
I thought it was upstairs with you.
No, I guess. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh.
Walk my back, but.
I guess I am. All right. This.
Dang it!
Hey! All
What
right.
happened?
How did he find you?
He found me because Mommy told him. You
I
know.
I did not.
You're
No,
fine.
I found you. I found you because I was.
So, I
working
hope
hard.
you guys liked that family. Family train time, bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this channel.
Here, buddy.
If you can get a better hiding place, let me know where the best hiding place in our spot is.
All right.
Do